Okay, hi guys. Today I'm going to show you how you can make money online by doing survey. Okay, first you can go to your Play Store to download this app called Streetbees. Okay, I'm not sure whether is it available in App Store. Okay, you can try to find this app called Streetbees. Okay, so because I already did the survey, so currently there's nothing in the live stories. Okay, so you can see this page, it says that it's a little quiet right now. Okay, so usually when there's survey for you to do, they will send you a notification. Okay, so once you receive the notification, you can just go ahead and come to this app and do. Okay, now I show you the history that how I make money online by doing survey. Okay, so I started in November. Okay, and there's two in December also. Okay, last year, and January I got three of them. Okay, and February also got three of them, and March got two of them. Okay, and April there's one of them. Okay, so currently, if let's say it's not highlighted in red, means that it's still pending approval for payment. Okay, so what you can do is once you have downloaded this app, you can just go ahead and use PayPal as the mode of receiving payment. Okay, so the last step will be invite. Okay, so you can just go ahead and click on invite friends. Okay, then they will provide you a link which you can use it to send to your friend. Okay, so they can also make money online by doing survey. Okay, so basically it's all what I want to share with you. If you have benefited from this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And this is Yori White from YoriWhite.com. Thanks for watching and listening.